from this bowl.
And these are tongue twisters.
Yeah.
If the person manages to say the tongue twister 3 times properly, they get a point and some yummy marshmallows. But if they lose, they will have to squeeze some lemon in their mouth.
Good.
Uh-oh.
So who will go first?
Lemon.
Okay.
I think
Who wants to eat lemon? You?
No.
I personally think my dad is gonna win.
Okay. So who is going
You
first?
are out.
And Ananya is the judge. What are you going to do?
Judge and point.
Yes, point keeper. You?
So Mama starts first.
My turn.
Yep.
Ladies first.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ananya's the judge, so she decided, of course.
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता. I have to repeat 3 times, not very slowly, but
At a medium pace.
yeah.
Okay.
One more time, can I say?
I just called this.
I couldn't even read it. It was like such a bad handwriting.
पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता. पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता. पके पेड़ पर पका पपीता, पका पेड़ या पका पपीता, पके पेड़ को पकड़े पिंकू, पिंकू पकड़े पका पपीता.
She gets some marshmallows.
Yeah, I will have half of it.
But this is young.
It was written so bad.
Yeah, yummy.
Okay, now it's our dad's
It's on
turn.
my hand. I put it on
So
my
it's
hand.
my turn now, but I need to keep the chip in front of me all the times. I cannot memorize it.
No, that's not the challenge, but you can read it once, twice, thrice,
No.
and then you have
Let
to
me read it to the
repeat 3
audience.
times.
No,
No,
it-
you cannot read from there. No, it's
Let
not
me
the
read it
challenge.
to the audience.
No.
Well,
Okay.
this is
Okay.
No, let him read, let him read.
Yeah, but for me it is difficult to memorize.
No, you memorize.
I scream, you scream, we all scream, I scream.
Okay.
3 times.
Okay.
I have to say a bit faster 3 times.
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream.
Yeah, you have
I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. I scream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. That was nice.
That was a bit slow.
Yeah.
That was my.
Look, you have one good.
No, ऐसे तो वो सारे जीत जाएंगे फिर. कितना
take the
easy
next
हो.
one.
Hello, judge, tell.
You take the next one.
No. I'm the judge. You have to choose like eyes closed, okay?
आप बताओ ना बेटा.
Eyes closed, everybody.
You take the next one.
Double bubble gum, bubble gum. Okay.
Can I see? Okay, carry on.
Double bubble gum, bubble double. Double bubble gum, bubble double. Double bubble gum, bubble double.
Good. Okay, so now it's my turn.
Guys, say a bit faster.
So that's a kacha papad, pakka papad.
Okay, let's do this. It's really easy. You have to say 5
It's really
times.
easy. It's really easy.
Kacha papad, pakka
Quickly.
papad.
What is
Kacha
it?
papad,
That's
pakka
fast.
papad. Kacha papad,
No.
pakka papad. No,
Guys,
Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Kacha papad, pakka papad. Done.
Okay.
That's too slow.
Tongue twist इतना slow कौन बोलता
That
है?
was my fastest. Sorry.
You have to say kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad, kacha papad, pakka papad. So bad.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
That is the
I
fun.
can't speak. the
You
way
have to speak.
fast.
You have to tell only 3 times, and you are telling so slowly.
Yeah, that is.
Kacha papad, pakka papad, very slow.
Yeah, but that is my fastest way.
But
You
look.
know what?
Can't be more fast.
If you say slow, you will get a lemon. You have to
Yeah,
squeeze lemon
okay.
in
So
it.
now it's your turn.
But I want to tell you something. Look.
Sure.
Can I do a question like how much would road pick a that's my foot? How much would road pick a
Good. What is the?
चंदू के चाचा ने
Challenge.
चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच से चटनी चटाई. Hey, what are you
Can I
doing?
see? Okay, carry on.
Go on, go.
चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी चौक में चांदनी रात में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
No, no.
Oh, good, good.
You stop. Yeah, you stop. You see, then stop. If you want to see, go back and see. She stopped in between. She did. But this is from everyone.
I didn't say it wrong.
Yeah, but you stop in between.
And you
like
can
for 1
do it
second.
faster.
Yeah. You stop. No argument, please.
You wanted to lose so
I'm
bad.
not the judge. Okay.
Listen to the judge.
But when your papa is saying so slow, why are you not telling him?
Go eat.
No, it's her turn.
But you
That's
seem
mine.
so slow.
He told so slowly.
Okay.
बहुत धीरे बोला है इन्होंने।
No.
What's a cow?
As I told you, that is my fastest.
नहीं उन्होंने कितने धीरे बोले कच्चा पापड़ पक्का पापड़। Then you were not giving.
अगर मैं होता चैनल में तो मैं कितना तेज बोलूं?
Anyways,
कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़
let's do
कच्चा
that.
पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका पापड़ कच्चा पापड़ पका ओके
Now
I'm
it's
the
my turn.
honest competitor.
Okay, it's my turn now. I'm taking the
Can I have one? Can I have one?
you're the judge.
I know, but I want some.
Sure. So it's my turn now. I'm taking the
It's
next
yummy.
thing.
Yes.
Guys, pay attention. And now there is something written over there.
Can I see?
Chanda chamki cham cham.
Now he's going.
Anyways, I can read it very nicely, but it's hard to memorize.
No. You can take your time, memorize it, and you have to repeat 3 times, but without
You have to do it fast this time.
without reading.
Chanda chamki cham cham. चिट्टे चौकन्ना चोर, चींटी
अब आया
चाटी
ऊंट पहाड़ के नीचे.
चटोरी चीनी खोट. चंदा चमकी चम
No.
चम.
You
चिट्टे
actually
चौकन्ना
saw.
चोर, चींटी चाटे चीनी चिटोरी चीनी खोट.
No.
चंदा चमके चमचम चीखे चौकन्ना चोर, चींटी चाटे चीनी चिटोरी चीनी खोट.
अभी 1 टाइम बोला है.
No,
इसको
that's
बढ़
my
के
first
बोला है.
चौकन्ना चोर, चींटी चाटे चीनी चिटोरी चीनी खोट.
Again.
चंदा चमके
Fast.
चमचम चम चम चम. That's cheating.
Yeah, no.
This was done by you intentionally.
No.
हमेशा इजी वाला मिल रहा था उनको.
And look, how much would pick? That one is. How much would pick? Because that's the
इस्लाम में विटामिन सी मिल रहा है यार. खाओ.
Okay, let's do this.
विटामिन सी.
Now,
Now we are
this is the
done.
last tongue twister.
And then how much would one pick effect?
Read it.
Oh, it's not.
But only 1 is left.
Yes, this
Yeah, that's the last one.
let's do this.
Can
If you can say it, then you will get a point, and then he
No,
will try
no,
to say
that's
it. And
the last one.
if he manages to say that, then yup.
Okay. It's really very tough.
Memorize it. You have
I-
very sharp memory.
I am.
I want to see what is written on the chip.
Yeah, it's okay.
Can I see yours?
No.
नहीं आपकी टर्न आएगी तब आप करना.
No, my turn is over. You are the last.
You will also get this turn because only 1 chip is left.
Yeah, and it's just a try to
We
go.
both
He
Yeah,
gets
okay,
chance.
okay.
Yeah.
It is difficult to memorize. You
खोजो
must
खोजो
admit.
जोजो को जोजो को ना खोजो तो खो जाए जोजो.
अबे fast.
जोजो को खोजो जोजो को जोजो को ना खोजो तो खो जाए जोजो. जोजो को खोजो जोजो.
Wait,
No,
That means
now,
Mom gets the most points.
no, it's a tiebreaker. Mom has 2 points.
No, it's
Dad
not.
has-
It's not.
No,
It's
she
my
just gave
turn.
you an extra point for no
That's
reason.
because he won. That's
No, he would have to say this tongue twister 3 times properly.
Yeah,
Is it
please.
and if he manages to do this, you will get a point. And
Yeah.
then you get.
Alex would.
Oh my god, so much pressure on God.
He's reading.
Did you eat a lemon? Did you squeeze it?
No.
You have to.
जोजो को खोजो जोजो को जोजो को ना खोजो तो खो जाए खोजो.
You have to say faster.
जोजो को खोजो
Faster.
जोजो को जोजो को ना खोजो तो खो जाए जोजो.
Yeah, you have to say
जोजो को
faster.
खोजो
Faster,
जोजो को
faster,
जो
faster.
जोजो को ना खोजे तो खो जाए जोजो.
खोजे नहीं है खोजो है. Wrong. खोजे नहीं है.
Okay.
खोजे
That's
नहीं
Oh
है.
my god, it's a tie.
That's
खोजो
okay.
है.
That's
Okay, now I will give both of them a tongue twister. I'm the tongue twister. I'm gonna chew the tongue twister now.
Who is winning, Ananya? Who is winning?
No one.
Huh?
It's a tie.
No, did you eat a lemon?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
Okay. I picked a tongue twister. Both of
Is it
them have to
tongue-
say it. And I'm pretty sure that you won't be able to say it.
Is it how much wood?
But I wish you can.
Is it how much wood would a wood?
Good luck. Good luck.
क्या है? ये तो गाना है ना, चंदू के चाचा ने चंदू की चाची को चांदनी रात में चांदनी चौक में चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई। मैंने बोला था थोड़ी।
Yeah, no
हाँ
problem.
लेकिन मैंने
Do it
वापस
again.
चूज किया ना क्योंकि टाई हो गया है तो मेरे को
Okay.
पता है कि आप दोनों में से एक नहीं बोल पाएंगे
ओके चलो चलो who's first?
You.
Your papa is first.
No, it's your turn.
No, the judge decides. Do you want Papa to go first or no?
अकर बकर ऐसे अकर बकर वो अस्सी नब्बे पुरुषों सामने कथा था चौकी बीबी अच्छी थी तो
रोज बात होती थी आलूगंडा बुम.
and boom.
Okay.
No, he's out. So she.
Oh, then mom says it.
चंदू की चाची को चांदी की चम्मच से चटनी चटाई।
No, you have to say it. Wait. No, you have to say it.
Then Papa wins. Oh no.
Lemon.
चंदू के चाचा ने
Faster, faster.
चांदनी चौक में चांदी के चम्मच पे चिटोरी चिटाई।
It's a tie. It's a tie. What do we do now?
No. Okay. So
I think that's all.
एक अनन्या बता रही थी उसमें कॉम्पीट कर लेते हैं।
Okay.
Woodpecker
How much would Pecker pack?
No. Look. How much would woodpecker peck woodpecker could peck wood? How much would woodpecker peck woodpecker could peck wood? How much would woodpecker peck woodpecker could peck wood?
Okay, your papa will go first.
How much
No.
woodpecker? Sorry.
Look. How?
No, sorry.
How much wood would a woodpecker peck if a woodpecker